have saved the settings for your exam or quiz, you're ready to add questions. There are two options to add questions to a test within Moodle. The first is to import them from an exam bank, and the second is to create original questions within Moodle itself. I'm going to show you how to create original questions in Moodle. The first thing you want to click on is Edit Quiz. You then want to select the category for your question bank. You can use the default for your course or use one specifically for that chapter test. Now we're going to create a new question. There are many different question options within Moodle. Calculated, matching, multiple choice, numerical, and true and false all will be marked by Moodle. You will enter the question as well as the correct response, and when a student completes the exam, Moodle will mark it for you. An essay question allows you to enter something in where you would like students to show more work, or there might be a variety of responses you would accept, or even a mathematics equation where you want students to show their work and you give them part marks for their answers. We're going to add an essay question. The first thing you need to do is to name your question. Then type your question text. The next thing you want to do is to set the amount of marks for this question. This will be a 2-mark question. In the general feedback, you can provide the students feedback for their responses. They would see that after they write the test. You can also set how many lines you'd like the students to have. In the response template, you can provide the students something that they will see while they're writing the test. So it might be an equation you want them to fill in, or a table of values where they need to enter something in while they're writing. Anything you write in the response template, students will have access to while the exam is open. In the information for graders, you can enter the answers so they're available for you when you mark or for someone else who marks this exam. Once we've done all our changes, we can save our changes. And our question has been created. Now we want to add our questions to our test. So to do so, we will select all our questions and click Add to Quiz. You can continue to create new questions and add them individually as needed. So here are questions for our test. Now if we wanted to, we could go through and we could edit a question, so we can do so by clicking on the question. And we could change the text, we could change what the mark is out of, we could even change the response. So when you make your changes, you save them again. The last thing you want to do for your quiz is you want to make sure the maximum grade matches what the total number of marks is, so we'll change that to 16 and save. And your test and quiz is now ready for students to complete.